How to add downloader to Roku Television 2025. Most people assume you can directly install downloader on Roku, but here's the surprising truth. Roku works very differently from Android TVs, and that's where many users get stuck. So let's clear this up step by step, the right way, in 2025. First, it's important to understand that Roku does not support the downloader app natively. There is no official way to install downloader from the Roku channel store. Most people get this wrong and waste hours searching, but that doesn't mean you're out of options. What you can do instead is use screen mirroring or casting from another device that already has downloader installed. This method works reliably and is fully supported by Roku. Start by making sure your Roku television and your phone or computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Roku, go to Settings, then System, then Screen Mirroring. Set screen mirroring mode to prompt or always allow. Now, on an Android phone, open Settings, tap Cast or Screen Share and select your Roku device. Once connected, open the downloader app on your phone. Whatever you see on your phone screen will now appear on your Roku television. If you're using a Windows PC, press Windows plus K, choose your Roku device, and start mirroring. Then open downloader in your browser or Android emulator. You won't believe how many streaming apps and files people access this way without realizing it's that simple. The key is understanding Roku's limitations and working around them smartly. In 2025, this is the safest and most effective way to use downloader-related content on a Roku television. If this saved you time and frustration, make sure to subscribe for more clear, no-nonsense guides that actually work.